This is every Iranian military drone. Surveillance platforms, strike UAVs, loitering munitions, reconnaissance systems, and experimental designs, some widely deployed, some highly specialized, some developed quietly for missions rarely discussed. First up, reconnaissance and tactical UAVs. HESA Ababil, an early Iranian unmanned aerial vehicle developed for reconnaissance and surveillance roles. It featured a relatively simple airframe and propulsion system, allowing it to conduct battlefield observation and provide real-time intelligence for ground forces. Qods Mohajer, one of Iran's earliest operational reconnaissance drones. Introduced during the Iran-Iraq War period, it was designed primarily for battlefield surveillance and artillery spotting, transmitting imagery and positional data back to command units. Qods Mohajer 6, a more modern development within the Mohajer drone family. This medium-altitude UAV combines reconnaissance capabilities with precision strike potential, carrying electro-optical sensors and guided munitions for both surveillance missions and targeted engagements. Qods Yasir, a reconnaissance drone believed to be derived from captured foreign UAV technology. It is used for surveillance and intelligence gathering, equipped with cameras and sensors designed to monitor wide operational areas for extended periods. Meraj, a lightweight reconnaissance drone intended for tactical intelligence missions. Its compact structure allows rapid deployment by ground units, while onboard sensors capture imagery and data used for monitoring troop movements and battlefield conditions. Next up, surveillance and long-endurance drones. Fotros, a large Iranian unmanned aerial vehicle designed for long-endurance reconnaissance and surveillance missions. Its extended wingspan allows long flight durations while carrying electro-optical sensors and communication systems for monitoring large operational areas. Shahed 129, a medium-altitude long-endurance drone used for reconnaissance and strike roles. Equipped with satellite communication systems and multiple hardpoints, it can carry guided weapons while maintaining long surveillance flights over wide operational regions. Shahed 171 Simorgh, a flying-wing unmanned aircraft developed using stealth design principles. It is designed for reconnaissance missions requiring reduced radar visibility, carrying advanced sensors and surveillance equipment within its blended wing structure. Shahed Saeqeh, a compact flying-wing drone derived from the Simorgh platform. It maintains a stealth-style configuration and is used for reconnaissance and strike missions while carrying precision-guided munitions within its internal payload capacity. Continuing with combat and strike drones. HESA Kian 12, a medium-range unmanned aerial vehicle designed for reconnaissance and strike missions. It carries electro-optical sensors for surveillance and can remain airborne for extended durations while supporting tactical operations and intelligence collection. Kian 22, a long-range combat UAV derived from earlier Iranian drone programs. It is capable of extended endurance flights and can carry multiple weapons and reconnaissance payloads for intelligence gathering and strike operations. Qods Mohajer 10, an advanced development within the Mohajer UAV series. Designed for long-endurance reconnaissance and precision strike missions, it carries upgraded sensors, extended range capabilities, and guided weapons for modern battlefield operations. Shahed 149 Gaza, a large unmanned aerial vehicle designed for long-range surveillance and strike roles. Its large wingspan supports extended flight endurance while carrying sensors, radar systems, and multiple weapon stations for complex missions. Continuing with loitering munition drones. Shahed 136, a loitering munition designed for long-range strike missions. This drone flies toward a designated target area before descending directly onto the objective, carrying an explosive payload intended for infrastructure or military targets. Shahed 131, a smaller loitering munition within the same family as the Shahed 136. It uses a similar operational concept, traveling long distances before striking targets directly with a compact airframe designed for lower payload requirements. Kian, a jet-powered target and attack drone developed for high-speed operations. It can function as a target drone for air defense training or be configured for strike missions, using speed and altitude to approach defended areas. Continuing with experimental and specialized UAV designs. HESA Hamaseh, an unmanned aerial vehicle unveiled as a reconnaissance and strike platform. It features a twin-boom configuration with a central fuselage and is designed to carry surveillance equipment and light precision munitions. HESA Karrar, a jet-powered unmanned aircraft originally developed as a high-speed target drone. It was later adapted for combat roles, capable of carrying bombs or missiles while operating at relatively high speeds. HESA Sofreh Mahi, a flying-wing unmanned aircraft concept developed with a stealth-style configuration. Its blended wing structure reduces radar signature while allowing internal payload capacity for reconnaissance sensors or potential strike equipment. Qods Saeghe, a reconnaissance and strike drone developed for tactical battlefield operations. It carries electro-optical sensors and can operate at medium ranges, supporting surveillance missions while also being capable of delivering precision-guided munitions. Next up, advanced drone developments. Meraj 113, a tactical reconnaissance drone developed for battlefield intelligence missions. It is designed for rapid deployment and short to medium-range surveillance, transmitting real-time imagery and positional information to command units during operations. Mohajem 92, a reconnaissance unmanned aerial vehicle developed for tactical surveillance roles. It operates at relatively low altitudes while carrying cameras and sensors used to gather battlefield intelligence and support situational awareness. Qods Talash, an unmanned aerial vehicle designed for reconnaissance missions across operational zones. It carries optical surveillance systems and communication equipment used to transmit collected imagery and data back to ground control stations. Finally, we have additional Iranian UAV systems. Farpad, a small unmanned aerial vehicle referenced within Iranian drone development programs. It has been associated with reconnaissance and research roles, contributing to experimentation with lightweight UAV platforms and short-range surveillance operations. H-110 Saeqeh, an unmanned aerial system reportedly developed for reconnaissance and potential strike missions. It features a conventional UAV layout and has been linked with medium-endurance surveillance roles within Iranian drone capabilities.